Hello everyone. In this video we are going to create a Jenkins pipeline to be able to analyze it within SonarQube, and this is a Maven project. So I already have this Jenkins job created, which is a pipeline type job. Let me go to the configure section because I already have this pipeline created. Let me explain about it a little bit. As you can see here, I'm configured this pipeline to run on any agent I have in the system, but you can specify here another label, let's say Linux, Windows, Mac, or if you have a set of servers with a specific software installed on it, you can create a label for those set of servers and you can use that label here in the agent option within the pipeline. Let's talk about the stages for this pipeline. The first one is the Git checkout. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a GitHub repository that I already have created with a Maven application. This is the repository. Also, I'm going to use the main branch. And for the credentials, I already created these GitHub credentials within Jenkins Vault so that I can retrieve those credentials from Jenkins directly. Okay, the second stage is the build because I'm going to build my Maven application by using this command nvn clean package -u. In this case, clean will clean up the workspace and package will create or will compile all the classes and create a jar file. And the u, it will update all the dependencies meanwhile the application is being created. So the next stage is unit test. In this case, I'm going to use nvn compile, validate, and test, and also this flag maven.test.failure because I'm going to ignore those failures. It will compile the code, it will validate, and it will run the unit test for the code that are already created inside of it. Okay, here I have a post function. This post will be triggered on success. This JUnit, it will get all the reports for the source file, the .xml, and it will archive the artifact or the final artifact, which is a jar file. And finally, the last stage is the SonarQube analysis, and I'm going to execute this command nvn package sonar:sonar, and this is very important because these are the instructions to tell Maven where to connect or where are my SonarQube instance and also the credentials. Here I'm using -d sonar host URL and I'm specifying this IP address and the port because here is where my SonarQube instance is running. Also, I'm going to ignore the test failures and I'm specifying the analysis token that I created in the last video. So this will be used to authenticate within the Sonar instance to trigger the analysis. Okay, let me run it. I'm going to build now. And I'm going to show you that at the moment in SonarQube I don't have any project created yet. So we will wait for the Jenkins pipeline to be completed. Here in GitHub, I have all the application code in my remote repository. And one thing that I want to mention is the details from the POM, because here this name tag, the Maven underscore Jenkins, will be the name or the SonarQube project, and the key for that project will be the combination of the group ID and the artifact ID. Okay, let's go back to the pipeline. As you can see, all the stages are completed. Then I can go to the SonarQube instance. I can refresh the project, and as you can see, now we have a project here. SonarQube will display this mini dashboard with which it will display these features like bugs. In this case, I have the rank A because I don't have bugs, I don't have vulnerabilities. My hotspot is A because I can't find any vulnerability on the code. And also the code smells is rank A because despite that we have two here, the quality gate has passed due to the condition that I have right there. I have zero coverage at the moment because the Surefire report were not retrieved, and the duplications I have 0% as well. You can go inside of the project to see more details. You see pretty much the same at the mini dashboard, but also you can see this in more detail. For example, you can go to the code tab. You can see what was analyzed within the POM, which is the lines of code, the bugs, vulnerabilities, code smell, and so on. And also within the source, you can see here the unit test. You can see here the actual source code and also the details about the analysis. Okay, this is how you can run a SonarQube analysis within a Maven project, and I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.